I have no idea which number I'm at here. 7, 8, I have no idea. Anyways, it's March 5th, 2026. This is 30,000. This would be a fun one. This is fun. I like it. It's just small and compact. I believe with a trailer too as well. Length. Includes 4-stroke, twin post cushion, integrate, steering system, additional items, trailer, sales tax, 171, boat. Okay, so you get the trailer with it. So there you go, Erickson Marine. There you go, man. Where it should be. This is kind of cool. This one's nice too. It's a rubber one too as well. Nice. So a lot of boats I gotta look at. Get up and go on that bad boy. Nice. So kind of interesting to say the least. High field. Nice. Very nice. Take a picture of that one. Oh yeah. More party barges that no one can afford and no one knows where to store them. Kind of cool one. Look at that one. And the pukey brown. No, thank you. Yeah, these ones are not something we want to fish in because it's more of a corporate, I think, idea, but they're not cheap either. Oh, they have price stickers on here. Are they free? I don't know. Let's go look. I don't see anything. Well, maybe it's free. I'll give you $1 for it. Wait. Should be up front. 70 gur. Doesn't say anything about a trailer. Pow. Bitches. There you go. Perfect. All right. Oh. So these are fishing boats, you know, all this stuff right here. These are 31 grand for this pig right here. I mean, they're not great, they're ugly, but they can sit up high and go fishing and all this behavior. These kinds of ones everybody wants. This is kind of a cool boat right here. 117,000. Install options. There's say trailer in here, trailer, reverse lights, trailer, jack. So there it is. Dun, dun. There it is. 1 yards, bitches. Nice. 92 grand. More party barges up here, which we really don't need to see. We've seen them all before, but let's follow the old lady up here, shall we? I don't see any brown. These are kind of cool. These are Suzuki Crest.
I'd rather have one set up for fishing.
I agree. This does not make you want to fish. This doesn't feel like you want to fish.
No, these are ski barges.
Yeah, the party barges. That's all they are.
Yeah, you got to put a whole lot of horsepower.
Yeah. It's these do not make. I have a party barge on my cabin. You can sit around it and fish, and I have a grill on the end of it. So I catch you a couple of Sundays. Guess what? I clean them right there on the spot. You eat right on my party barge.
Yeah.
And you fish on it. This does not make us. If you're my mom and dad, does not make you want to feel like you want to fish.
I'm on a live well.
Bingo, front row. These are. You just move on from the.
The two seats up here.
Yep. Exactly.
Out on a deck that you can move back into the tent.
You're speaking my language.
Back.
Yeah. You're consumer of common sense. That's what consumer of common sense. There you go. There you go. He's absolutely right. He does not want to make you be a fisherman here. I mean, I kind of like this red, but only 40 grand. See, this isn't bad. I don't mind this one. It's not bad. Just need to put a grill out here, like you said, a live well. But sometimes they just don't think until it's too late. So, whatever. I guess I'm just the a-hole, right? Oh, my God. Getting old. At least I got in for free. That was nice. When an old man pays for it, right? All right, let's go over here.
You would think.
Yeah.
These are another one of these defenders. probably one or two more probably, but I like these. These are cool. I like these. These are really nice. I like these. I've seen these around. This is a nice size right there. I like it. It's cowport approved. It's nice and small. I like it. It's nice. It's a nice size. Easy to pull. Put the trailer on there. Away you go. But it doesn't say what it costs. Is it free or what? What the hell is wrong with you guys? How am I supposed to lust over something I don't know what it costs? No. Who am I? Just a consumer of common sense, bitches. Anyways. Oh my goodness, I know. I just love to complain. It's just, here you go. These Sea-Doo, excuse me. These are not cheap either. These are like, well, it's not bad, but you better be using them. Something you buy. It's like a motorcycle. Is there a pen over here? I don't know. Let me see. I've got enough pen for today. Let me see. I got a frisbee. Oh, you can win. I see. Oh, the hat. Nice. Spin to win. Mm-hmm. Nice. Bad boys. 40 grand. They're showing 40 grand. Let's see. All right. Hang out in there. Oh yeah, look at this. These are the big ships. These are the bust out another 1,000 right here. So a lot of these have 2 tanks, and you have to, like, when you fill them up, you got to fill them both at the same time. There you go, look at that, huh? Picture this one right here. Look at that, huh? Got brown. See? They got brown guys. Ugly brown. God. I love these tonight, but I'm living in Florida. Here we go, you guys. The pukey brown. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Not a chance. Oh my God, that's horrible. I love the design of it, just the color. Like anybody would buy that. Oh my goodness. It's free. I don't see a price. That's why I can see it from here. $127,000. No, thank you. Come again, right? All right, let's go over here. Get back on over here. That's disgusting. That's one ugly color. Jesus. I don't know whoever figured that color out should be publicly spanked. So now and they're not cheap either. Hopefully the trailer comes with it. We don't want to have to just push it behind my car. Crestliner. Mm-hmm. Got some ones over here. It's a cool little one. So we're just getting in. I mean, we're going to get in a lot of boats here and stuff. I'll probably just do one more with this one because here's our favorite right over there. Those are really cool. They got some good stuff. Crestliner makes a good boat, local. They want $85,000 for this pig, give or take. Another nice little Crestliner. Take a picture of that, by the way. Multitask, shall we? Took 50 pictures so far. Oh yeah. 42,000 for this pig. Nice. That does not look comfortable at all. Can't tell me that's not comfortable. Sorry. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Well, I bet you would want to help you. Crestliner. I love busting the balls, the salesman about the trailer, because they get real pissed. Some just smiling, some get really mad. But that's the way it is. I'm going to ask you a question. I don't expect an answer. Oh, God. Getting some more of those things over there. More party barges. And now we're kind of walking around in here. All kinds of fun stuff. There's some interesting ones. More party barges. Just those chairs just don't look comfortable. I'm sorry. Damn big motor here. But these are ones you can stand up in if you take a leak or something. Somewhat easy to pull. Nice size, not like this huge. You can go from lake to lake. All right, Lund, another good boat. Well, now oh God, here's another puke brown. Jesus Christ. There you go. Take one for Sue Ellen. Yep. Harris. 101,000. Jesus. I mean, come on. This does not want to make you want to fish, like you said. The one guy. I don't want to make you fish. This one's 46,000. 42,000 starting at. Oh my goodness. Let's take a picture over here. Yeah. All right, guys. Let's move on to something more substantial, shall we?